welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share the recipe that I used to specially make this in this particular season, which is called आंब्याचे रायतं. आणि it is made out of normally घोट्याचे जे आंबे असतात किंवा चोखी आंबे जे म्हणतो आपण, साधारण छोट्या आकाराचे, साधारण हा आकार असेल तसा. आणि हिरवे जरी दिसले तरी ते आतून छान आपल्याकडे पिवळसर असतात आणि आंबट गोड असतात. That's what you need for your रायतं. But here the mangoes which we get are not that exactly same quality of mangoes we get, but these mangoes have those like strands, like threads ahet त्याच्यामध्ये. That's why I'm using these mangoes, and even though they look little yellow but they're not too sweet, so that's why I'm using these mangoes. It still has that green tinge over it, so I'm going to use 2 of these mangoes and still little sour and sweet at the same time. So 2 mangoes like that. I'm going to peel them off and take along with the seed. That's what we're going to use, and I'm going to do the watan for this, for the raita, which is freshly grated coconut, which is about 1 cup of grated coconut. To that I'm going to add the bedgi mirchi and 1 tablespoon of dhana or coriander seeds and about 8 to 10 miris, which is black pepper, and that's what is going in the watan. And then we are going to do the tadka for this raita. And it's amazing. It's like आंबट गोड, खूप छान चव लागते गरम गरम भाताबरोबर or any फुलकाज. It tastes amazing. So I'm going to show you the next step. So I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil for this, आणि आपण ह्याची फोडणी करणार आहोत. So साधारण 1 teaspoon राई घातली मी. Mustard seeds I'm adding about teaspoonful, and about 1/4 teaspoon of hing to this I'm adding, and about 1/2 teaspoon of haldi. Make sure your flame is on low so you won't burn the haldi. And the mangoes that I had shown you, so I've just peeled it off and just tried to squeeze out the juice out of it. आणि हा जो आंबा आहे इकडचा तो साधारण थोडासा आंबट गोडच आहे, पूर्ण पिकलेला नाही आहे. That's what you want. And see how the strands are coming. युजली त्या चोखी आंब्यामध्ये असेच असतात, म्हणून मी ह्या टाईपचा आंबा इकडे यूज केला. बट इफ यू आर फ्रॉम इन इंडिया यू कॅन ऑलवेज गेट दोज छान चोखी आंबे विच यू आर गोइंग टू यूज फॉर दीज रायतास. And I'm just going to add the watan that I made. You can add as many number of mangoes as you want, but I'm just giving you example with 2 of the mangoes. And this measurement, if you're using the small size mangoes, use at least 4 of them for this measurement. So to that I'm adding that ground masala, which had coriander seeds, couple of peppercorns, and bedgi mirchi I'm using because it gives nice color. And also I'm going to add a little bit of Kashmiri mirchi powder also, so the raita would have nice color. And हे रायता इतकं छान लागतं ना आंबट गोड गरम गरम भाताबरोबर. Please give it a try, and it's amazing. I used to make it. I used to really crave every season when she used to get these mangoes. So I'm going to add about teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirchi powder to this. How I wish you could smell this aroma. It's just amazing. So I'm adding about 1/2 cup full of water. I just rinsed the mixer jar. I'm just going to add and let this mixture come to a nice boil for about 10 or 12 minutes. It doesn't take that long to cook the coconut mixture also. So it's been exactly 10 minutes since the raita was boiling now. So I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt to this. Just give it a stir. And I'm going to add about tablespoon of jaggery to this. छोटासा गुळाचा खडा मी घातलाय. थोडीशी टेस्ट घेऊन बघायचं तुमचे आंबे कसे आंबट गोड आहेत त्या हिशोबाने. If your mangoes are not that sour, feel free to add about a teaspoonful of tamarind concentrate to this, and just let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, and your आंब्याचे रायता is ready to be served along with your hot rice or garma garam fulke. So our आंब्याचे raita is ready to be served just the way I used to make. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to Palate.